Fine, thanks. Sure, sure. Not a problem. All right, brother. That sounds real good. Did you get my email? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I understand. I do. I get it all the time.
Breast Cancer 3-Day, October 31st to November 2nd at 877 The 3-Day or the3day.org.
I mean, it's one of those things that you never thought you could do until you set your mind to it and do it. Definitely a monumental mountaintop type of experience. It was 60 miles of fully living, and fully living for those who can't be there.
Your walking benefits Susan G. Komen for the Cure and funds vital research and education programs. That's 877 The 3-Day or visit www.the3day.org.
It's mind, body, soul. Got it.
Meet Fifth Third Bank customer Michelle. We asked Michelle about the things she's doing for her dreams.
When our daughter was born, we started saving for the future, which meant leaving college and working full time, and it wasn't easy, but that's what I had to do. College you just have to wait. So I put away $10 from every paycheck, and the more money we made, the more we put away. By the time she was stressing over what school to get into, we saved more than enough. So remember her opening the acceptance letter. Here we are 4 years later, and now she's a college graduate. Well, we never stop putting the money away, so we can afford to retire. But you know, I'm not here yet. I have my own solid application for that.
Discover the things we can do for you. Stop by any Fifth Third Bank location. Give us a call at 1-877-579-5353 or visit 53.com. Fifth Third Bank, the things we do for dreams. Member FDIC.
Now you can make your day a little better at your local BT.